Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. As you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Zara try-on haul. Woo! You guys didn't know, Zara usually has a sale that happens every year. It either happens twice a year or 3 times a year. Don't quote me on which one, but I'm more siding to twice a year because it usually happens fall to winter, and then you got the spring summer one. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a spring summer Zara try-on haul. With that said, if you guys like me, if you like fashion, if you like summer, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I post new videos. And of course, all my social media links will be posted in the description box below, so be sure to follow me on there. If you want to see what I picked up in Zara, keep on watching. The first piece I'm going to show you guys is a short sleeve button up, and it looks like this. I absolutely love the color of this. It's such a perfect like lavender purple. It's not too dark, it's not too pastel, it's like right in between. So this retails for originally $39.90 Canadian, but it was on sale for $19.99 Canadian. I got it in the size medium. So it has like this rustic texture material to it, and it is a comfortable fit, so it's not too fitted. So it has like this lax, I was about to say lax fit, relaxed comfort fit to it, so you can definitely like move around. There's like movement to it, which is nice. It's not so stiff and boxy, which I love. It's just your plain button up. You've got a side pocket right here, and the side hems, I guess you would say, it's like a vent, as you can see right there. But this is so beautiful, and of course I had to get it in a different color, and I'm actually wearing it right now, and this one is the mustard one. But yeah, absolutely love this. I wore this to work with like some plaid pants, tucked it in with a belt, and then like white shoes. Got both in the size medium, and I will provide the links to everything, both American links and Canadian links, down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them or just, you know, looking at them. But yeah, that is the first 2 pieces, I guess you could say, because I'm wearing one that I got from Zara. Woo! So the next piece I got from Zara was this guy right here. Yes, another button up. I love button ups, especially the ones that flow, which this one is. It's a relaxed fit, and this, as opposed to this one, is more thinner, I guess you could say. This has more of like a thicker material, but this is like, I think it's pronounced viscose. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's viscose, and I got it in a vertical stripe. And a tip for everybody, this is for anyone, if you're trying to look slimmer and you're wanting like a striped top, always opt in for the vertical one, just because it does give you that illusion that it looks, that you look slimmer, I guess you could say. But this has more of a relaxed fit. Like I mentioned, it was retailed for $49.90, but I got it on sale, of course, for $29.99 Canadian prices. Love the Zara viscose material, just because it does flow really nicely, and like if I'm trying to take OOTD photos and I just want to, you know, move it, like it has that nice flow, which I love. It's got a nice lapel collar, button down as always, and of course the hems got like a side vent to them, which is nice. But yeah, that is the 3rd piece I got from Zara. So the next piece I picked up from Zara is another short sleeve button up. Don't judge me, I just have a thing for short sleeve button ups. This is a different material, I promise, and it looks like this. I know you guys are probably like, Paul, that literally looks exactly like the one you just showed us. It's slightly different. It's not a relaxed fit. It is more of like a fitted fit, and the material is knit. The shirt is called Jacquard. I believe that's how you pronounce it again. Jacquard knit short sleeve. It's a vertical stripe, as you can see, and I got it in a size medium, and this retails for $45.90. but on sale for $29.99. I'm very, very excited to use this, dress it up a bit, you know, wear black pants, a Gucci belt, or just a plain black belt, roll up the pants a bit to show a little bit of skin in the ankle, and then nice dress shoes. Or you can even wear it with boots, but I prefer like nice dress shoes, whether it's like an Oxford shoe, a boat shoe, or just a nice pair of dress shoes. Even the one with the chunky heel, fire. But yeah, that's the fourth thing I picked up from Zara. So the next piece that I picked up was this bad boy right here. It isn't a short sleeve. This shirt has more of a relaxed fit that has a lightweight, like rustic cotton material. Very, very nice. As you can see, it has like the vertical stripes of blue, and it has a nice like cut right here. It's a nice V cut, but it's not too deep. Perfect for those like summer days where it's not too hot, but also not too cold. Pair this up with like nice beige cream shorts, or even white. Oh my god, it looks so cute, and like a nice straw hat or something. But it's a relaxed fit. Again, I got in the size medium, and this was originally $14.90 Canadian. I got it for $29.99 Canadian. That is the fifth piece I picked up from Zara. Moving on to bottoms. The first bottoms I'm going to show you guys that I picked up is this bad boy right here. Absolutely love the color of this. It has like that wash effect, which I love. Perfect for the summer. It is a ripped tapered denim, which is also amazing for the summer. I got this in a size 38 just because it is more stretchier up here. I think the band is elastane. It is a skinny fit, so it's not like too tight. Retails for $79.90, but I believe I got it for $29.90 Canadian or $25.90 Canadian. Let me check. $25.99 Canadian, so such a steal. You've got 5 pockets in total. You got 3 in the front, you got the small one here, and of course 2 in the back. You've got ripped on the knees and a little rip right here. I will say they are quite long for my liking, but such a steal, and these are the first bottoms that I got. So the next pair of bottoms I got weren't on sale, unfortunately. They retail for $45.90, and it looks like this. I absolutely have been looking for like a nice slim pant that has that vintage look, and I feel like this is what this jean gives. It has like that, it's like in between of black and dark gray, and it's washed out, which I love. The only thing I don't like about these pants are the crotch part, just because it's not your regular zipper. It's like the buttons. I don't know, but for me, I'm more of a zipper kind of dude, you know? Do you guys like the button crotch, the zipper crotch, or you don't really care? Let me know in the comments. For me though, I'm more of a zipper type of guy. I got this in a size 31. It's not like a skinny fit, like I mentioned. It is a slim fit pant, jean, whatever you want to call it. That is the second pant that I got. So the last pant I got from Zara is like a cargo pant, but in a jean material, which is what I've been trying to look for, but couldn't find the perfect one that looked good on me, I guess you would say, and it looks like this. It's like a dark grayish, more so to the black pant, and I got it in the size 40, and 40 European, 31 American Canadian. Retails for $49.90, and I'm pretty sure I got this for $19.99. Let me just make sure. Yeah, $19.99 Canadian. That's another freaking steal right there. So these pants are a slim fit. I love, love, love them. It just gives like that edgy street style look to it. You've got your front pockets here, of course. You've got the back pockets, and you've also got pockets on like the thigh area, which I love. And what I love about it even more is the pant at the bottom. They're zippers. I think just adds a little to the pant, I guess you could say. You can zip it all the way down if you really want it really fitted and skinny, or you can zip it up if you're wearing like, you know, your Saint Laurent boots, your Chelsea boots, or whatever it may be. Absolutely excited to use this, especially for the fall. Oh my god, fall is my favorite season. Chelsea boots, any type of boots, leather jackets, peacoats, all that, it's all about me. But today we're talking about summer, honey. But that is the last pant that I got from Zara! So the next piece I picked up was a jacket. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of have a lot of these in my closet downstairs. I think I have about 5. But I decided to pick up another jean jacket. This one is very different to the ones I already have, because the ones I have, one of them has like patches everywhere, another is a typical, your like typical original Levi's denim. I got another Levi's jacket that has like the Sherpa material inside. Two actually, one is dark blue and it's oversized. Another is an army green or khaki green and it also has that Sherpa inside. So I was like, I need something plain that's more like vintage looking, and that's what this is for. And this, guys, is another steal. So I got this in a size medium. Originally it was $79.99. I'm pretty damn sure I got it for $25.99. This is more of like that vintage boxy square cut, as I don't know if you guys can see, but it's more boxy, which I don't mind. I actually love that, and it has this nice washed bluish vintage look to it. So at the front of the jacket you've got this pleating right here, which I kind of love because it just adds that little edge to the jacket. You've got two front pockets with a flap, and then on the side of course you've got your typical jean jacket with the welt strap. If you want to make it a little tighter, you can move it up here because there is two buttons. So that adds a little element to the jacket, which I love. So excited that I was able to cop this because I've been wanting a nice vintage, like worn out jean jacket, and it was a steal. $25.99, originally $79.90. Come on. So the next four things I'm going to show you guys are accessories. The first one I'm going to show you is a beanie, and it looks like this. This is a short rib beanie. I freaking knew that I should have got the rest of the colors. They came in like a lavender, a teal, like this nice sea foam green. I wouldn't even say teal, it's like a sea foam green. Your typical black, you can never go wrong with a black beanie. Red, like this nice, bright, not neon, but this nice, bright red. And then of course a nice yellow. Originally these were $25.90. The sale price, $9.99. So I kind of wish I got all of them. I was hesitant, I'm like, I don't need all that beanies, but I regret it because I love how this looks on. That's what it looks like. Just, you know, your regular short ribbed beanie. $9.99, one size. So the next accessory I'm going to show you guys is a crossbody bag, and before you guys come for me, I know it looks like a particular collaboration that happened in the fashion industry, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds if you know what this bag looks like. Time's up. If you guys guessed the collaboration Dior did with Rimowa, that is it. That's what this bag reminds me of. This wasn't on sale. This I got for $39.90 or $39.99. $40 Canadian. It's clear, which is nice. You got a pretty good amount of space in there to fit like a little wallet or like a card holder, your phone, like a lipstick, a lip gloss, hand sanitizer, hand cream. It's very cute. It's very urban. It's very edgy. But yeah, simple crossbody bag. This is adjustable, the straps, and then this can clip on, clip off. You got zippers right here. Love it. $39.90, $40 pretty much. But yeah. And then the last item in this haul is an accessory. And again, it does look like a fashion piece that you guys have probably seen, and that is this bad boy right here. So it does look like the Jacquard strap bags, which is fine. Those are cute. So are these. This is originally $29.90, on sale for $29.90. So this one wasn't on sale. I like it, and I think it came in 2 other colors. It's really cute. You can wear it like this, you know, so adorable. You got that button right there, and then this opens up, and you can't fit your phone in here unless it's like very small, because look at the space you get there. You get 6 card holders, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 card holders, and then here to put more cards, cash, a lip balm, a hand sanitizer, but that's pretty much it because you can't fit much in here. It's a great accessory. It adds a little oomph and edginess to your outfit. I absolutely love it. I've worn it a few times. I've always gotten compliments while I wear it. But yeah, that is the last piece I picked up from Zara. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Zara Spring Summer 2020 collection haul slash Zara sale haul. If you guys would like more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what type of videos you guys would like to see. Would you guys want me to do a lookbook with some of those pieces, a summer lookbook? But I digress. Like I said, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Zara try on haul. As always, all the links that I show you guys in this video will be down below, both American and Canadian links, so if you guys are interested, go check those out. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!